always has been loose. I thought that counted as my kill. But in the hell didn't get chipped. Run, I'm out of here. Oh, no. Yeah. Looks like hello. Oh yeah. 1 kill for the challenge, guys. Oh no, we got 1 death there, guys, from the challenge. So that's hard. Let's just continue now. This is just going to be a short video. It's a challenge. A good challenge. So guys, I'm going to be uploading Fortnite in 2 days now. So I'm going to be uploading a lot of Fortnite in 2 days. 2 days are going to be brutal. It's going to be bang, 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 bang. But when school starts, we won't be doing much brutal stuff. So we've only got like, we'll probably make 3 Fortnite videos, and then we'll have to wait for school on the weekends. Because that is when we are doing our videos. That's when we do our videos. Me and my brother. My brother and I. So we do some videos every weekend because in school. Oh, no, not allowed to change. You have to stick with the show. Now, does this work on the side? See, I'm trying to click the shoot button. But when we get home, we'll be making a lot of fan forces. Leave comments down below if you guys prefer fan forces or Fortnite. I definitely prefer Fortnite, but just leave a comment down below. Whoever wins the comments, we'll play. Okay, guys, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? There's the guy there. Ready? Sorry the noise in the background, it's just my nana and my brother and Nuno all fighting. Everybody was coming for fighting. Okay. Very good. I missed all the action and that was terrible. Terrible, I got offside. Just terrible. But, you guys need to leave a comment down below. I've got no comments, which is really sad. So I don't know what you guys like or what you prefer. Something. You need something. So please leave a comment down below. Hello. What? Whoa. I'm dead. Oh, dude. But you should have blown up before I did that. Pardon?
Lunch is ready.
Okay. So guys, like I said, this was going to be a short video. We gotta wrap it up. So I'm sorry if that noise. Well, my brother is fighting. Here we go, guys. A kill again. Oh no, they're all down there. Lay down that way, down the path. Ui, I saw that grenade. Guys, I got here because, oh, okay. Spawn somebody. Leave a comment down below if you guys like my challenges or if you prefer just the normal gameplay. Because I need to know. I need to know. So what I'm going to be doing from the past probably 3 weeks, or probably 3 months actually, maybe. I'm going to be seeing what game better, which one you prefer. That was a really good computer. Okay, so which game you prefer? What? So if you prefer Phantom Forces, then I will get that. Oh yeah, just remember to count scope and yes. So just no scope for now. So comment down below if you think that if you guys think that these guns are nerfed, because I think Remington 870 especially has been nerfed. But you guys need to leave a comment down below if you think or if you don't. Because you get, what's really weird is it used to be like a banger, like, but now it has to reload really quickly. So in Fortnite, so what I call this gun usually the pump shotgun, because in Fortnite there's a gun called the pump shotgun. So this is a lot like the pump shotgun. And the KSG 12, I think it was, 12 that my brother uses is a lot like tactical. And me and my brother and I, especially, say that felt like it was nerfed right there. I don't know about you guys, but that felt like it was nerfed. Because I had like 3 shots at him, but it didn't take a damage until like I finally got a headshot and finished him off. So as I was saying, my brother prefers using the tactical shotgun in Phantom Forces, the KSG in Phantom Forces, and he also prefers the tactical shotgun in Fortnite. So anyway, guys, like I was saying, this was going to be a short video. So moving back on, I prefer the pump shotgun. Why? Because there's this new update thing called the double pump. And that is one reason why I think see, you only get a headshot. You only get the headshot. So guys, I'm just going to explain a couple things and we're going to end the video. Okay? So let's just say. So with the pump shotgun, you can use a double, but that's the same with tactical, but I prefer using a pump because it's quicker, better, and easier. So what happens with the pump? What you do is you take a pump shot, you switch to the other pump, and then you just keep doing it until you have to reload or you kill an enemy. So that's what I think, guys. So I want to thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all later.